Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson XP 640 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to check all network settings using AVS embedded web server on this device. So firstly, to open the embedded web server by typing the printer's IP address on your web browser, then just find here your AirPrint setup. Here you will see your network name. So great. When you will see your network name and your location, you get back to the main menu. Then you will see your DNS and proxy setup. So here, if you have manual settings, you can check your network DNS and proxy setup. If you have no and you have auto, so you can change it to manual, and then you will know what do you have. Here you have Epson Connect services, so you can register your Epson into the Connect services. I am not does it, and I don't want to do it, so I will not show you how to do it. Of course, you can print using Google services, Google account. You can do it in pair with Epson Connect services. So first, to enable Epson Connect services, then you will be able to bind your Google account to the Epson Connect services, and in this way you will be able to print using your Google Drive application on your Android device, and you don't need to be nearby with your printer. You can do it remotely. Okay, root certificate update, so you can update the root certificate to the cloud. And here we have product status, so here we have all our network information. Here we have our Wi-Fi settings, our security level. We can check our MAC address. We can check the connection status. We can check our Wi-Fi direct settings. We can check all settings. We can't check the password only. You can check password only using Epson interface, not the Epson web server, but Epson settings on your printer screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.